This brand is made in China and can be purchased directly through their website or Amazon store, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The 2024 updated 5L humidifiers are ultrasonic cool mist humidifiers with an essential oils diffuser and a 360-degree rotating nozzle to deliver the mist where you want it. They have a large 5-liter water tank and an activated carbon filter to clean the air with a coverage area of 430 square feet, but the unit has a basic mechanical dial control. They are pretty quiet with a noise rating between a whisper and a gentle rain. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.